Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the HYSEYY heavy-duty clothing rack, a versatile and robust solution for all your storage needs. This extra-large rack measures 35.5 inches in length, 16.5 inches in width, and stands 78.3 inches tall, boasting an impressive load capacity of 420 pounds. With 3 tiers, 2 hanging rods, and 10 side hooks, it offers ample space for shoes, hanging items, and folded clothes, allowing you to customize your storage effortlessly. Equipped with 4 360-degree swivel wheels, including 2 lockable ones, this rack ensures smooth, noiseless mobility, making it perfect for any room in your home or retail space. Crafted from high-grade industrial metal with an advanced anti-rust finish, it's sturdy and durable enough to hold heavy garments like winter coats and gowns. Assembly is a breeze, and while a rubber mallet is recommended, it's not included, so make sure to follow the instructions carefully. Lastly, our dedicated customer support team is available 24/7 to assist with any questions or technical support you might need, ensuring your satisfaction is our top priority. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.